Greetings, all you Senior Pride members, and congratulations on making it to your last Pride today. Right now, I'm attempting to do this in personal finance. That's why you hear the shh noises. But needless to say, what I want to talk to you about today is migrating your Google files that you have, that you've been given by Google and by Goddard here, and sending them to another Gmail that you may need to save them in, so you can have all your documents and not have to worry about losing them. Um, just a quick note, you will lose all the files you've saved by September. I believe September is the date that they go away. So just giving you a heads up, if you can do it today, tomorrow, the next day, I would highly recommend it. If you want to come to my classroom because you don't have access to a computer today, that's fine. Just let me know and you can come in and get that taken care of in the morning or in the afternoon. So how to do it real quick. Um, for example, I did this all files scenario. I did this actually to move my files into my Goddard Google account because I had a previous one. So you're going to do the opposite, which is really simple. You're going to find all of the documents that you've created, all right, wherever that is. You're going to go to your My Drive, and you're actually going to go to New and create a folder. And I would name it All Files or Goddard Files, so you know what it stands for. You're going to hit Create. And after that, you're going to right click on the Goddard files or whatever you named it, and you're going to go to Share. And then you're going to enter whatever other Gmail address. I stress that it's a Gmail address so these files can go over seamlessly. So let's say I was going to share it to a different Gmail of mine. So I'm going to send it out to my JRZim or GHS one that I made up, not connected to the school. Some Gmail not connected to the school. And if you hit send after that, guess what? You now have given access to yourself to all the files you've ever created in Goddard. And I understand that you may not think you're ever going to use these files again, but I would highly recommend that you do this because you never know when it might be nice in a college class sometime you're sitting there, or you've made a resume and you just want to brush it up so you can use it for a career. Those might come in pretty handy to not have to start all over again. So just a heads up, little tutorial here. Enjoy your last day of Pride. And for all of you who are getting ready to graduate, congratulations. I'll see you and I'll be there on graduation day. All right, see you later.